back to my channel, guys, and in today's recipe I'm going to be doing some breadfruit punch. So for this recipe we are going to start by cutting, peeling, and also dicing our breadfruit. Once we have done so, we're going to add it to some water and we're going to place it on the stove to boil. For added flavor, I like to add some cinnamon sticks and the rind of a lime. You can use lemon if you have that as well. So I'm going to allow this to boil until it is fork tender, and we are going to allow it to cool, and we're going to place some of that water separate that we can use it in our punch. Next, we're going to start to add the pieces of diced breadfruit to our blender. I'll be using some evaporated milk. I also have some condensed milk. Additionally, I will be grating some nutmeg into there. And next we go in with the zest of a lime. I'm also going in with some ground cinnamon, just about a teaspoonful. I'll also be adding some vanilla bean paste. You can also add some vanilla extract as well. Now this is a little bit more pungent, and of course we're going to go in with our condensed milk. Now I'm using sweetened condensed milk. Next we're just going to blend everything together, and it is smelling beautiful in here. Additionally, you can add some alcohol to your breadfruit punch, but I decided to omit it and it came out beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!